I'm going to create a really truly mixed flower design bouquet for a vase or for home, wherever you'd like. Using some of your favorite flowers, roses, hydrangeas, peonies. Here they are. This is a very expensive flower. It's open, and they don't last very long. I've used them on Hallmark Channel for a wedding, live wedding we did. You can watch it online. And they barely lasted the day, so be careful of peonies. They're horribly expensive. They retail for about $20, $25 a stem, in case you didn't know that. And once they open, they tend to go. So a lot of times I'll use them in that tight ball and say, there, you gotta be happy with a ball of peony. So let's get started. You know we're gonna use my process. Today I also brought something interesting along too, buds. So here we go. I'm gonna add a bud. Look what I'm doing. Crisscrossing that axis. Take some of these off so you can see. Everything is laid through, not through all the stems, but either one side or the other. So I'm going to take that. Here's my peony. I'm going to add my peony that you all love. I'm going to add some mini green hydrangeas. But see what I just did? Starts on one side, exits on the other. Adding more roses, adding more green hydrangeas. All you got to do is angle them through, switching hands as you work, rotating it a little bit. See what I just did? I just gave it a little teeny twist so I can come at it from a different angle. Here's some mini callas. Everybody loves mini callas. Now watch what I do. I switch hands, I literally shift my body, and I work on this side of my design. There's your little flower girl bouquet done already. Here comes more roses. Everybody in a wedding loves a rose. We're going to use that peony as our focal point. Here, oh, let's do some more buds. I love buds. People don't utilize them a lot, but I love buds in a design. I think it looks really, really good. More minis. But look at how everything is edge to edge, meaning just like the Sistine Chapel or the Lincoln Tunnel. You got to edge it, see? Right there. You can't have it sticking up where it has to leap over, and you can't have it laying down where it falls down. It goes edge to edge. Edge to edge makes the world go round. So I'm just entering random flowers, not even thinking very hard about it. It's still going to turn out gorgeous. But I've been doing flowers for a long time. It's a little bit hard to make the arrangements. And what am I doing? In my head, I'm practicing patterns and formulas that I teach you in class. This is not my genius creativity. I'm going to give you a close-up. This is not my genius creativity. This is me following a pattern, like cooking. A little pattern in my head. So I automatically know what I'm going to do. I automatically know it's going to turn out. That's the ease of designing. Ooh, I found another green hydrangea. That's the ease of designing with Michael Gaffney's Flower Design School. So, adding more flowers. What's another bud? I like these buds. So I'm adding my last few roses on, so I have a nice round ball. And then, I'm going to show you a tip. Little secret tip. I'm rounding out. See how I'm shuffling things around to make it nice and round, scooting them down. Like this one fell down, so I gotta pull it up. Pull it up to the surface of the moon. If I don't break it, there you go. Like that. Oh, it's a little lopsided over here, so I've got to add a few more flowers over here to make it round. And then I'm gonna pull, I call it pull flowers through. Pretty. So what I'm going to do is I like this Queen Anne's lace. It's like chocolate Queen Anne's lace. So here's the secret. Instead of trying to get it through, you just run it down, straight down. See how it comes out the bottom there? Look at that. Then you do that. And you just pull it in. So it nestles right on top of your flowers. This is a great secret. Make sure the stems are nice and clean at the bottom. Otherwise you're going to run into traffic. Now watch. You just have to tap it through, straight down. Don't go through the center. It won't work. You have to kind of go to the outside of your design. It's going to pop out right there. See it? Up, down, up, down. Then you grab it and you pull it right in. So again, I'm going to take this, punch it through like that. There it is, sticking out, and then run it through. And now I've added some beautiful Queen Anne's lace to my design. And then just a little bit of wax flower on the outside and we're done. This is your bridal design. This is giving to someone who just arrived in the neighborhood for a get well. That's a nice get well gift. I wish someone would give me one. when I move into the neighborhood, I get nothing. So we're gonna add a little bit of wax around the edge. I'm gonna fix it, pull these flowers up, and this is very important. See, that's called tweaking. Look at it, I'm lifting these up. So they're all on this evenly placed right on, I call it the bald head. See how that green hydrangea fell down? I gotta bring him up there. So he's on the surface. Not totally round. Let me see if I add another rose. I'll make it, let's have that nice round shape. Look at that Queen Azaleas. It added really nice texture. So how long did it take me to make this? About 5 minutes. This is a tough vase. Everybody loves these vases, but it's very tough to design it. So sometimes you could just wire this whole thing up and give it a sharp cut and then just set it right on top of there, wire it up. Therefore, it's pre-designed and dropped into the vase. That's what I would do it. Oh, it's easy. Even I can do it. I've been doing it for 30 years. I have 3 books out: Paris, Flower Power, and Design Star. All available at flowerschool101.com.